Hello everyone. So today we're gonna talk about the component of qualitative research design. Before we start the presentation, let us introduce ourselves first. Me, Gede Krishna Widantara, as a presenter and moderator today. And also my friends, they are Komang Restaliani, and the third one is Nyoman Trihayuni, and the last one is Asmia Pradnya Dewi. So the first topic going to present by me. The first topic is idea. So the first thing that if someone wants to do a research is to get an idea. The first step, but it's very crucial because from the idea, the researchers develop into a research. In starting a research, you have to start from a place or situation which is generally the starting point to get an idea. An idea arises in someone's minds due to a problem or someone is faced with a certain situation or phenomenon. For example, if you become a medical institution or medical student, of course, maybe you will research about disease. Likewise, with those who are in the educational institution, maybe that the idea can arise in our mind is related to the situation we are experiencing now, such as maybe regarding to the student behavior or the student view of learning method, or it can be the effectiveness in the curriculum and so on. Okay, next let's we talk about literature review. So according to Hasibuan Zainal A 2007, literature review is a collection of presentation from theories, findings, and also the other research material obtained to serve as a basic for conducting a study. After getting the idea that will be used in a research, you can develop the ideas by researching and also relating them to the theories or research that has been done by the other researchers or the other people before. The next action that you can do is go to the maybe library to what is it to obtain literature material such as paper, articles, scientific journal, books, thesis, dissertation related to this to the research that you going to do. Okay, for example, if you want to do research about how dialect or accent in someone place or okay, for example, if you want to do a research about how dialect or how accent in someone. Okay, for example, if you want to do a research about how dialect or accent in some place or some area, of course you need reading material that provides knowledge or theory related to the research, such as by reading linguistic books, specifically maybe the branch of linguistic is sociolinguistic and also phonology. And maybe you can looking article or journal in internet regarding the previous research, whether there is anything related to the research that will be carried now. Okay, that's all about ideas and literature review. The next material going to present by Ristaliani.
Hello, my name is Rista. Now I will explain about research design. So, research design is the overall plan and structure that guides data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Research design can be said to be a procedural plan that guides researchers to answer research questions validly, objectively, accurately, and economically. It involves making decisions about the type of research method, data collection tools, and sampling techniques to be used in a study, as well as identifying the research question or hypothesis to be tested. A well-designed research study is essential to ensure that the data collected is reliable, valid, and relevant to the research question being investigated. Type of research design consists of the first, experimental research design. The second is case study design. The third is longitudinal research, and the last is survey research. Survey research. Experimental research design is a research design conducted to test the cause and effect relationship between an independent variable and dependent variable. Case study design is a research approach by examining a problem through a case consisting of a single unit. Longitudinal research is a research design that involves repeated observation of the same variables over a period of time. And survey research is a quantitative research method used to collect data from a set of panels or respondents. The objective of the research design are provide a reliable answer to a question. Research design can eliminate or at least reduce sources of error. Okay, that's all from me. Next will be continued by my friend.
Alright, my name is Nyoman Trihayuni, and now I will explain about data collection method as one of the components of qualitative research. According to Creswell 2014, data collection method is a process includes setting the boundaries for the study, collecting information through unstructured and semi-structured observation and interviews, documents, and visual materials, as well as establishing the protocol for recording information. Qualitative data collection typically involves methods such as interviews, observation, focus group, active participation, and document analysis. In this case, the researchers need to carefully to choose the most appropriate data collection method based on their research question and the population they are studying. For example, when the researchers want to do the ethnographic research, the researchers must use interviews, observation, and active participation for their data collection method. Alright, I think that's all from me. For the next material will be presented by my friend. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Gusti Ayu Asmia Pratnyadewi. So here, I will continue the presentation about analyzing qualitative data. Analyzing data is a process to examine and interpret non-numerical data to identify patterns and relationships. According to Levin 2018, analyzing data involves three stages process, such as immersion stage, reduction stage, and interpretation stage. The first one is immersion stage. So here we are reading and rereading the transcripts or other sources of the data to gain a deep understanding. The second one is in reduction stage. So in reduction stage, we are organizing and summarizing the data to identify the themes and patterns that aims to provide a manageable set of categories that can be further analyzed and interpreted. And the last one is interpretation stage. So here we are drawing a conclusion and making meaning. In addition, the goal is to develop a comprehensive understanding of the phenomenon under study, and generate new insights and knowledge. Alright, so let's take an example. For example, ethnographic research using descriptive analysis. According to Fatterman, 1998, ethnographic research is a research that describes and interprets a social grouping or culture situation. So, after we collect the data, as it has been explained by Trihayuni before, then we analyze the data using descriptive analysis. In descriptive analysis, we are organizing, summarizing, and presenting the data collection to provide a detailed information about the research and also identify meaningful insights and conclusion about based on the analysis. Alright, that's all my explanation about analysis data. Thank you.
Okay, that's all about the material. Thank you.